Are those cool eggs, Jack?
Ta-da!
Tommy, what'd you find?
Another one.
Yeah?
It's candy.
You're kidding.
The boys' bikes are faster than Autumn's Jeep.
Look at the other one. Mine. Mine.
So
Mine.
press the button.
Secret. What?
You wanted to
I'm happy. I want mine. I'm mine.
Are you happy?
Yeah, it's mine. See, it's good. If you touch, dip it.
What else do you have, Dami?
More.
More?
Okay, more. Open it. Open it. And open that.
Okay, give it to me.
Open that.
How do you ask?
Open that. Hey! Chocolate donut.
Wow, what are those? Erasers?
Yeah. I like to eat them.
I don't know if you eat those or not. I have no idea what those are.
Open it.
Excuse me?
Open it.
Excuse me?
May I? I'll open it, please.
Oh, you're very polite, Dami. Okay.